With the recent update in NoteBookLM, it has become a really powerful tool, which I think everyone should be familiar with its capabilities. For example, you can convert this whole book of around 300 pages into a single infographic image containing the crux of the book. It not only saves your time, but it makes it easier to recap again. If you look at the generated infographics, it has clear headings and even a smaller text are properly readable with clear relevant graphics. Similarly, you can convert long YouTube videos into a single infographics. This will help you learn more faster and efficiently. So to create this type of stunning infographics, search notebooklm.google and click on try NoteBookLM. And it's completely free to use, guys. If you want to switch to dark mode, then you can do from the settings option. Now scroll down a little bit and simply click on create new notebook. You will see pop-up window to add source. For now, simply close it. From here, let's add a source by clicking on this button. You can see options to upload files, URLs of blogs or YouTube videos. You can link your Google Drive or you can paste your copied text as source. We will explore all the scenario and create a stunning infographics. First, I want to create infographics of a book which I want to read. So for that, go to add source and upload your file. Once it is uploaded, on the right side you will see multiple options, but we will explore the newly added infographics feature. Click on edit icon to customize the infographic style. You can select language, orientation styles and the level of details. For now, I'm selecting detailed, which is in beta. You can also add custom instructions like the color theme or any other custom instructions. Once done, simply click on generate. It will take few minutes and once it is ready, you can view or download it. As you can see, generated infographics is really good with important informations and relevant images that makes it really usable. We have these long video videos on TEDx Talk. Let's copy the link of this video and go to NoteBookLM. Just paste it as source and it will scan the whole video content and create infographics summarizing the content of this video. This is the generated infographics which looks really professional and even you can share it on your social media pages. Similarly, you can add multiple links, but it should be separated by a space or new line. To get the most relevant informations, I would suggest to add multiple related sources instead of doing deep search directly here. That's it for this video, guys. For similar tech videos, subscribe to TechMentos.
Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling